Hello friends. Oh, do I look like a boy? Is the ponytail a mistake? Yeah, not today, folks. Hey guys, welcome to a what's on my iPhone video. Basically me shouting out my social medias for 10 minutes straight. Today there's a lawnmower outside, but I don't want to close my window, so sorry about that. Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone. Sometimes I think these videos are super interesting and I binge watch like 10 of them, and then sometimes I'm like, why would anyone care what's on my iPhone? But you know, some people do. So I'm just gonna show you anyways. I got a new phone, as some of you probably knew, maybe, I don't know. I don't even know if I posted something about that, but I got a new phone because, I don't really, my old phone, it was just getting really glitchy because I use my phone all the dang time, which I mean, like, it's kind of, I do like social media stuff, so I kind of have to, you know? That's my excuse. Honestly, my screen time is probably, I upgraded to the XR. Had it for a couple days. I just transferred everything over from my old phone, so it's not that different, but I haven't done a what's on my iPhone video for quite some time. So I just figured I would update you guys a little. You know, I'm pretty proud. My iPhone looks kind of cute right now. She's looking cute, so I want to show you guys. Yeah. I don't really know how these work. I'm gonna do a screen recording and try to put it here, but you know, I'm not good with all that techie stuff. I don't even know how to. Basically, this baddie doesn't have a home button, which I'm not used to at all. I keep trying to press random stuff and there's literally no home button because the screen fits like the whole thing. You just slide up and it has like the face recognition, which is pretty cool. Helpful. So once you go in, you can see this is like a quick overview of what everything looks like. Okay, first off, my wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen is this photo of sunflowers because kind of matches my case. By the way, I got a bunch of questions about my case and I'm planning on doing a video specifically about that. If you guys want to see that, make sure to let me know. I made this case and then I just have a little Polaroid in the back. California, how adorable, manifesting. Okay, I also have the white iPhone 64 gigs, iPhone XR. My wallpaper is photo I found on like Pinterest or Tumblr or something. Kind of matches my case. I just thought that was kind of adorable. They just make me happy. So this is a general overview of my phone, and I get kind of bullied and then some people think it's cool, but basically I organize them by color, or I at least tried to, and I have the perfect amount of apps for 4 screens. I used to be that person who like shoved all their apps in folders so you only had one screen, but then I decided no. At first when I changed this so it was color coordinated, I couldn't find anything. I was like, oh my god, where's the photos, where's Instagram? And then I was like swiping everywhere, but honestly after a while I got really used to it. I don't want to go through every single app because that would take a whole lot of time, so I'm just gonna talk about like my most used apps basically. Didn't think this through. Obviously my most used are on the bottom dock thing. I don't know what that's called. So I have my camera, VSCO, texting, and then Spotify. You probably know what all those apps are. VSCO, love this app. And also everyone always asks me how I edit my photos. I get asked it so much, and I literally have a video up on it and that video got like no views, so I was really confused. But yeah, so like when people ask me, I'm like, haha, I have a video. And I don't want to sound like rude and be like, go watch my video. I've done some stuff different, so if you want to updated like how I edit my photos, I like VSCO to just upload normal photos from my camera roll. It's kind of like the best of my camera roll. Also, I get so many questions on how I make these little like stop motion-ish boomerang-y looking videos, and that is with VSCO. It's on the app VSCO, but it's called Disco. It just makes everything look good. If you want to follow my VSCO, it's Melanie Locke with 2 E's at the end. Spotify. If you want to follow me on there, it's Melanie Locke with 2 E's at the end also. I'll just go through and read you all the apps that I have. So I have Photos, Google Drive, Reminders, Music. Okay, no wait, just kidding, that's boring. I'm not gonna do that. I have this app, which is really helpful for planning out your Instagram feed because VSCO doesn't do that for me anymore. Basically, it syncs up with your Instagram, so it has everything. You can also load photos and then you can move them around, which is really helpful. That's pretty cool, and you can also have like multiple accounts. I also have Facetune. I got it before it costed money, so go me. It's actually kind of helpful. I use the whitening to whiten my ground. When I take my outfit photos, the ground in front of my garage is kind of dirty, if you know. So I whiten it so it doesn't look freaking green and mossy. Used to be obsessed with this game. Like I don't have that many games on my phone. I used to be obsessed with this app, and then I realized I suck at it. It gets me really frustrated. I used to have like no games, and then I realized sometimes I get bored and I just want games on my phone. So I have a few really good ones. I also have this thing, which I literally paid for, and I don't use it. It's like a, oh my goodness. It's like a, it makes it look like film. I have no clue why I paid for that. Gmail, YouTube, news, Target, Pinterest is like one of my favorite apps out there. Love that. Yelp is also one of my favorite apps. When I get bored and I'm hungry, I just go on Yelp and I look up random stuff. And I always look up cafes around me. I love trying out new cafes. Okay, next page. I am, oh gosh, out of breath. Fonto, this is what I use for like my text, and I do edit my thumbnails on my phone most of the time. I used to do PicMonkey on the computer, but then that just got really annoying. So I use like Fonto and PicMonkey on my phone to edit my thumbnails. I have Poshmark, which you'll know. I sell my clothes on there, so if you want to buy my clothes, follow me there. A bunch of random other stuff. This is another game, real fun. I'm actually kind of amazing at it, so I'll show you guys. You can watch me play. But it's kind of like, oh frick, So it's really fun. It makes really cool sounds too. It makes me feel very accomplished. If you guys didn't know, I used to be a baller actually, and I think that's why I'm so freaking good at this game. Like, it just came naturally to me. I'm just gonna die right now because I'm so good. It would probably go on forever. Oh yeah. I have Soundcloud. I don't really use it anymore, but I needed more orange apps, so I keep it. I don't want to mess up the flow of my organization. All recipes from back in the day when I was obsessed with baking. I haven't baked in a really long time. If you guys want to bake with me, please want to bake with me, because now I kind of want to bake some cookies or something. That sounds kind of good. I have books. I don't really read. There was a time when I was like obsessed with books because I was reading like To All the Boys I Loved Before, and then I was like, oh my god. Haven't done that in a while though. Notes is one of my most used apps also. Notes and reminders, I use those all the time. I have like 20,000 lists in my notes, and I'm not gonna show you because they're kind of embarrassing. Like, they're kind of weird. Yeah. Snapchat, if you want to add me on there. Also, Snapchat on the XR is like super zoomed in, and it just makes me very uncomfortable. I don't really post stuff on my story on Snapchat because remember when like Instagram got stories and everyone was like,
that's stupid, that's what Snapchat's for.
And then now everyone loves Instagram stories, and I feel like nobody uses Snapchat ones, and that's literally me. That explains my life. Soulcycle, I haven't used that in a while. Lime Bike, which is basically like you rent a little bike thingy and they're just out everywhere. They're really cool. I like that. Yeah. Maps, use that all the time because I got some issues. Hulu, I have Hulu because I have the like college student plan where you get free Hulu with Spotify for like $5 a month. If you didn't know about that, now you do. It's such a great deal. Except Hulu's annoying because it literally has ads. I'm paying for it. Why are there ads? So many ads, and they're the most annoying ones, and it just makes me want. But Hulu has some really good shows that aren't on like Netflix anymore, because Netflix keeps getting rid of their shows. Also, if you want a video on good shows to watch and stuff, I wanted to do that, but I wasn't sure if anybody would want to see that. So yeah, if you want to see that, just I have this game. I used to be very obsessed with this game. Also super good at this one. Hello. Basically, here you can watch me. I'm super good. Like, it's a little smiley face. You just go side to side and you don't hit these little I meant to do that, but you know, yeah, I was just showing you guys. Okay. Amazon. I love this app. Sometimes I just browse Amazon when I'm bored because we love Amazon. Amazon Prime Video literally has no shows, but I still have the app. I used to be obsessed with a show called Suits. I don't really watch that anymore. Twitter, I am very inactive on Twitter, but if you want to follow me there, it's Melanie Locke with 2 E's. Udoodle, this is what I use. Thumbnails and videos when I want to like write stuff. This is an example, as you can see. Venmo, frickin' genius. Flappy Bird. Actually, it's not Flappy Bird, it's Lab Bird. Also freaking amazing at this app. I'm so good. Compete with me, guys. It's actually really hard. Okay, awkward. Waze is another maps app. I don't really use it, so I don't know I have it. Fitness Pal. But sometimes, you know, I just like to look up nutrition facts. Yeah. ClassPass, what I use for like booking fitness classes and stuff. I have Facebook, but that's pretty much just for school stuff. I don't like Facebook. Quizlet, you know, when you're a student grinder like me. What else? Oh, this is another fun game. One of my faves. I don't know how to like, can you beat this game or something? I know you're supposed to go to like choose a corner and then just always slide to that corner. But I swear I do that and I still haven't won. I'm getting kind of frustrated. Okay, well, this game takes a lot of my time, so I don't want to do that because I've already been talking for 20 minutes. This is the app my parents used to track me. Followers tracking, that's kind of embarrassing. I think I had a phase where I'm not gonna lie, I kind of stalked on some people. Cam scanner, no one cares about that. Freeform, I have a bunch of movie shows apps, but I pretty much only use Hulu and Netflix. I don't know why I have the other ones. Guitar tabs, for that 1 week was obsessed with playing guitar and now I haven't. But I really want to get back into that. Uber, I don't use Uber that much. I'm more of a bussin' gal. Slatter, whatever, super helpful. Recommend this. It basically has the answers to all textbooks. Probably why I failed math. Just kidding, I didn't. I actually really like math. Oh my gosh, this is the last page. Go me. And then I have a tuner when I thought I could music. And then I have the Holy Bible, of course. It just, yeah. I mean, duh. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything on my phone. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really don't have much to say. Follow me on all of my social medias. Right after I talked about all my social medias for 20 minutes. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you guys have a fantabulous day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, peace out. Bye.